You can't build a circular company with a linear mindset. Technology helps, strategy helps, but culture is what makes it stick. Let's explore how to build a circular culture inside your organization, one that goes beyond compliance and becomes a way of thinking. What is organizational culture? Culture is how we do things around here. It's the shared values, habits, and assumptions that shape behavior, even when no one's watching. So if you want people to act circular, you need a culture that supports it. One, start with a shared story. People need to know the why behind the what. Why are we going circular? To reduce waste? To meet climate targets? To unlock innovation? To align with customer values? Create a story that's easy to remember, repeat, and rally behind. Culture begins with meaning. 2, make it a leadership priority. Culture flows from the top. If circularity lives in the sustainability department, it stays small. But if leaders talk about it, invest in it, and reward it, it spreads. Great leaders. Ask circular questions. Share circular wins. Empower teams to experiment. Connect the mission to daily work. Circular culture isn't just built, it's modeled. 3, embed circular thinking in everyday work. Make circularity part of everyone's role. Procurement asks about reuse. Designers ask about end of life. Finance tracks material savings. Marketing tells circular stories. Offer tools, templates, and training. Don't just inspire, equip. Make it easier to do the right thing than the usual thing. 4, celebrate learning, not just results. Circular change means trial and error. If failure is punished, no one will take risks. Build a culture that shares lessons openly, runs pilot projects, iterates quickly, learns from what doesn't work. Innovation needs psychological safety, especially when the goal is transformation. 5, create champions at every level. Change doesn't just come from executives. It comes from the warehouse, the design team, the intern desk. Find people who care and empower them to act. Give them platforms, recognition, and resources. When culture becomes distributed, it becomes unstoppable. 6, align metrics and incentives. You get the culture you measure. If people are rewarded only for cost savings or short-term sales, that's what they'll focus on. Instead, track waste reduction, reuse rates, circular revenue, supplier collaboration, cross-team innovation. Tie these to recognition, bonuses, or advancement. That's how culture gets traction. 7, make it visible. Culture is reinforced by what people see. Posters in offices, dashboards in meetings, circular wins in newsletters, reuse bins in the cafeteria signal that circularity matters everywhere. Culture isn't just soft stuff. It's systems, habits, design, and it's the difference between a circular initiative and a circular company. Because when circular thinking is how people think, that's when the loop really closes.